Join me as I challenge myself to whip up 10 delicious low-carb keto sauces that will take my meals to the next level. In this video, you'll discover 10 delicious low-carb keto sauces that can transform your meals and keep you on track with your diet. Many people struggle with finding tasty sauces that fit within their low-carb lifestyle, often settling for bland options. This is because traditional sauces are usually loaded with sugar, grains, and other high-carb ingredients that can kick you out of ketosis. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor for your dietary goals. With a little creativity, you can create sauces that are not only delicious, but also keto-friendly. I've found that having a variety of low-carb sauces on hand can make meal prep a breeze and add excitement to even the most mundane dishes. Plus, it's amazing how a single sauce can elevate an entire meal from boring to epic. For example, I've had times when I'm stuck in a rut, making the same old chicken breast or steak with just salt and pepper. But then, I whip up a batch of my favorite Keto BBQ sauce, and suddenly that boring old steak is transformed into a mouth-watering masterpiece. It's all about experimentation and finding new ways to add flavor to your meals without adding carbs. That's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. We'll explore 10 different low-carb sauces, each with its own unique flavor profile and uses. We'll explore each of the 10 sauces in detail, sharing ingredients, preparation methods, and how they can enhance various dishes. From tangy and creamy to spicy and herby, we'll cover a range of flavors that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. I'll also share some tips on how to customize each sauce to fit your personal preferences and dietary needs. Whether you're a seasoned keto veteran or just starting out, I promise you'll find at least a few sauces that will become staples in your kitchen. One of the things I love about these sauces is how versatile they are. You can use them as marinades, dips, or even as a topping for your favorite low-carb dishes. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to share them with you. Plus, I'll be sharing some of my own personal favorites, including a few unique sauces that you may not have tried before. These sauces are sure to add a new level of excitement to your meals and impress even the pickiest of eaters. To wrap up, we'll summarize the key points about each sauce and how they contribute to delicious low-carb meals. By the end of this video, you'll have an arsenal of tasty sauces at your disposal, and you'll be ready to take your meal prep to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite low-carb sauce, and check out my other videos for more keto-friendly recipes.